Okay, a very good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the Zoom session. And I really would like to welcome you all. We are having the Zoom, me and you have been talking after like 8 or 10 days. So it's always my pleasure to interact with you and talk to you. Been a bit busy with some of the developments, and today we are here for witnessing something which was very exciting, and we will talk about it. Must be some queries or confusions which will be cleared, but definitely we're gonna start it with the major milestone we have achieved so far in our journey. Is something which is like took us like 6 months to come to this point where we are today. So first of all, I would like to welcome you for this beautiful evening on this Zoom today. And we are celebrating today the success of ECN in, the what we have accomplished so far. So thank you so much. Can I see your hand? You are with me? My pleasure. And thank you so much, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you. So let's go back for a while and let's start. So in December, I am calling it like promise made, promise delivered. In December, since December, even before December, these things were in progress, in developments. I'm talking about the project which we are calling ECN. All right. It was under development. Then in December, we announced we did our first airdrop on ERC20 chain. And since then, these better. We don't need hands right now. When I ask, then you can raise your hand. Not now, not now, not. Vivek, kindly take control on the hands, please.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you. So you need to listen to me very carefully. And because it's like 1 hour of session, which is going to celebrate your Sunday. All right. So yes, let's go back and let's start it from there. So we have been working on it for a long time, and the only motto was to make it a real project, to go into the real crypto space, to be a part of the
Recording in
real
progress.
to be a part of the real crypto space and to deliver, which is very real, you know. That was basically the target. We were knowing it. It's not easy work. It's not easy job to, and then also involvement of community and making community understand for this development, making the community to participate in this development that we have started. So we got into, we got our blockchain, we got ERC20, then we realized that it will be a lot of fees on ERC20, so we must use a different mode to make a multi-chain token. And we went on Tron. And we started with the Tron. And today we have achieved level 1 of Poloniex DEX. If you remember, I spoke about it last time. If you go to your Tron Link wallet, if you click on ECN on the right hand side, you have view detail button. When you click on that view detail button, let me check on it. It says, it tells you that from where the information is coming out, from where you're having all these rates and all information. So like this. So suppose this is the wallet and you have some ECN in it, right? You click on ECN. You on the top, you have this button, right? You click here And it gives you all the information about ECN, and here you can read that the data that is fetching on your wallet is basically being collected from Poloniex DEX. It was not it came the day data source, you can see a Poloniex DEX, it's here. Okay, so that's the reason that you are able to see the dollar value in your wallet, right? So with time, we started, making community hold, have ECN. That was the first target. We come up with this staking wallet for that. And we started giving withdrawals of mining and staking in ECN. And last 4 weeks, when we started this, we have been discussing about making ECN as a payment gateway, like creating APIs, create wallets. I mean, whenever you log into your account, you have this new wallet in your account which say ECN TRC20 wallet, along with the other wallets that you have. And when you click on this wallet, you get the another window where you have your barcode and you have your ECN address, which is basically TRC20 address. Everybody has been very excited about it. So the first service that is required for creating this payment gateway, because it has to go through a lot of security tests. It is a blockchain based payment gateway. It is not a centralized payment gateway. So you create wallet, then you work on the API of get balance API. Like when you deposit, it shows you the balance on it. That is get balance. Then third API was the transactions history for pulling up the information from the blockchain on your dashboard. Sorry. So when you deposit the ECN, you can see the number of first you see the wallet where you deposit, then you see the balance, the amount of ECN you have deposited, and then at the end you see the blockchain transaction with the hash rate. So, and also the payout. It's like payment API. All these processes, after creating it on blockchain, on TRC20, right? It has to go through a couple of security tests, making sure that all these informations which I'm talking about here, wallet creation, get balance, transaction history, supposed to be the correct, and there should be no loophole. Because in blockchain, when you talk about, you can secure a centralized system. On blockchain, anybody can get their hands on, and we know it very well that it's been every month, every 2 months, we have this problem of people stealing money from biggest of the exchanges. So the major concern was the security. Even exchange like Binance had a couple of bad news in the past of getting stolen by unknown people. So the major part was the security, which took us like 2 weeks to make sure that we have all the parameters working with the online system, and the parameters are basically secured and enough secured enough to check. So we did one security token, which is basically wrapped around. It's like, suppose this is ECN to ECN transaction. So there's a security token which is wrapped around. It's wrapped with your token, which check and validate that there is no data, that there is no change in database when this thing is happening. So which took us like 2 more weeks, though we have already announced 3 weeks, 4 weeks back that we are coming up with the ECN deposits into the system. And since then, everybody been very excited about it. Due to God grace and blessings and hard work of the team, day before yesterday, we were able to go live with this. And we are very proud to say that we have more than 500,000 ECN deposited into the system in last 48 hours. Like more than 500K ECN has been deposited in the last 48 hours. So, which makes us, take joy in knowing that people understood the phenomena also of how to do it. So, but today, we're gonna go for small trainings because I have a lot of people here. You need to go for a small training, and we have some big news to announce. But not only that, the biggest news is that it is implemented in your system. The first payment gateway ever created for ECN and implemented in your ECN. Now the payment gateway is actually created every week or 2 weeks. You will have this huge news coming that we have been integrated with this service provider, that service provider, with Payway, and some very more big exciting things are right on the corner, which you will see and feel. It is very important for us to understand that you are building something. You are making something in a real world, in a real crypto space. Look into it this way. Let's talk about the top the whole trading, 22%, 17 to 22% in Bitcoin. Even you can see the volatility in the rates, like it went, it happens in history also, not for the first time. Just 2 months back, it was 60,000. 3 days back, it was 28,000. It's again now 35,000. So you have to, even the whole crypto market, if you see a short-term period, you feel like it's down. But if you see a long-term period, if you bought something 6 months back, you are already 2x, 3x. If you bought something last year, you are more than 5 times, 10 times in different currencies.